So you are struggling with the handstand, right? That's why you click on this video. Well, I have for you one but very effective and powerful exercise. Very obvious one but very often skipped. Maybe you are asking how to get from this to this Danek. Well, I have answers for you. The exercise is handstand against the wall. But before you bounce off to the next video, let me explain it. So the thing is, when you try to kick up into the handstand and you immediately fall, how much time you spend there? None. 0 seconds. And how you wanna catch it when you can even balance the handstand itself? So let's stop talking and get straight into the business. So quick tips for you guys. Place your hands this close to the wall, not back there. Then spread your fingers as much as you can and bend them so you can push more into the ground and have better balance. Then just kick up, push tall and slowly put one of your legs away from the wall. Master this hold, then try to alternate the legs. The final stage is to put both of your legs away from the wall and hold it as long as you can. The key thing is to stay in handstand as many seconds as possible. Personally, I balance my handstand the way that I'm constantly falling and constantly pushing with my fingers. I just never relax them, I constantly use them. After this, you should be able to know what to do and when. Like, oh, I'm falling that way, so I will push with my fingers. Oh, I'm falling the other way, so I will push with my palms. As I said, you are working with your fingers all the time, so never relax them and use them. This strategy makes you progress much faster at your kick-up game because you know at least the element which you are kicking into. Speaking about kick-ups, I have quick tip for you guys. Try to bend your arms a little bit, catch your balance, calm yourself and then straighten your arms. So this was it guys. I hope you progress so much faster with this strategy. Stop randomly kicking up into handstand and falling. Use this strategy. I know you wanna get straight into the handstand, but trust me, I did the same thing as you. Then I switched to doing a handstand against the wall and I progressed so much faster, so trust me guys. And if there's anything you wanna know about handstands, your problems with it, balance things, anything, comment down below. I will try to answer it or do just another video about it. Subscribe. See ya. Slowly put one of your legs away. The key thing is to stay in handstand as many seconds as well, I have for well,